Here we have arrived at the Dollar Tree. They have all of their 4th of July and Memorial Day items out. Stars, stripes, forever. Look at this banner with the ice creams on it. It is 7 feet long. That is so cute. These hanging decorations, the 6-foot garland, happy 4th of July banner, and then little signs, perfect to put inside your house. So cute with the gnomes, USA. They have this flashing headband with the stars. They also have sparklers as well. Balloon holders. Look at these cute gnomes. Such cute signs. This one has the little stars on its hat. How cute. This is another cute sign, welcome, with the ice creams. Look at all the festive signs, so many. They also have these banners that are 8 flag banners too. These are really cute, these window clings with the gnomes. They have some wands, paper lanterns, USA, a fringe backdrop, perfect like photo ops, these wooden beads. Look at these like little table scatters with the gnomes. So many nice things. They even have like these water bottles too, flags, these little headbands. Look at these light up glasses with the stars. Cute headband, hair tie here, little hats, the lace, patriotic bow tie. So many festive things. They have also these towels as well. Here they have more flag kits. They also have mini flags, as well as like a plastic table cover, some bags, a whole bunch of decor items. Love the little gnome to put outside. Also have like these festive scarves as well with like the ice cream. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.